Artificial intelligence is a rapidly growing field that has taken the world by storm. In recent years, AI has become so popular that it is now a subject of discussion not just for serious concerns, but also for fun. AI has become more popular today because of increased data volumes, advanced algorithms, and improvements in computing power and storage. AI has always been a hot topic to discuss. Nowadays, every industry is implementing AI methodologies for automation. AI is no longer just a buzzword. It has become a topic of great concern and discussion among many popular personalities from various industries, from tech moguls like Elon Musk and Bill Gates to scientists and scholars. Many have expressed their apprehensions about the growth and future of AI. Among them is Apple's co-founder, Steve Wozniak. Wozniak has expressed his concerns about AI on several occasions. In a recent interview, he stated that AI has the potential to become a threat to humanity if we don't regulate and control it. An Apple co-founder also criticizes Elon Musk for failing to deliver on self-driving car promises.
Well, AI has beneficial effects in giving us like a lot of good guidance, like being a good reporter, and now AI is another more powerful tool, and it's going to be used by those people, for basically really evil purposes. And the doors are too open for misuse of data, especially with these deep fakes.
The world of technology has been shaped by many great minds, but few have left as lasting an impact as Steve Wozniak. Stephen Gary Wozniak is an American technology entrepreneur, electronics engineer, computer programmer, philanthropist, and inventor. In 1976, he co-founded Apple Computer with his late business partner Steve Jobs, which later became the world's largest technology company. And the two revolutionized the world of personal computing with the Apple II. Wired magazine described him as a person of tolerant, ingenuous self-esteem, who interviews with a non-stop sing-song voice. It's so important to know that Wozniak's contributions to technology have been recognized by numerous awards, including the National Medal of Technology and Innovation, the highest honor for technological achievement in the United States. In March 2015, Wozniak stated that while he had originally dismissed Ray Kurzweil's opinion that machine intelligence would outpace human intelligence within several decades, Wozniak had changed his mind. I agree that the future is scary and very bad for people. If we build these devices to take care of everything for us, eventually, they'll think faster than us, and they'll get rid of the slow humans to run companies more efficiently. Wozniak stated that he had started to identify a contradictory sense of foreboding about artificial intelligence while still supporting the advance of technology. By June 2015, Wozniak changed his mind again, stating that a superintelligence takeover would be good for humans. In 2016, Wozniak changed his mind again, stating that he no longer worried about the possibility of superintelligence emerging because he is skeptical that computers will be able to compete with human intuition. A computer could figure out a logical endpoint decision, but that's not the way intelligence works in humans. Wozniak added that if computers do become superintelligent, they're going to be partners of humans over all other species just forever. Steve Wozniak, the co-founder of Apple, has expressed his concerns about AI. He said that he is not concerned about AI itself, but is concerned about the impact of this technology falling into the wrong hands. He said, "I don't lead my life in fear, but I do think that there are going to be a lot of challenges with artificial intelligence that we're not prepared for." In an interview with the Australian Financial Review, Wozniak joined original club members Bill Gates, Stephen Hawking, and Elon Musk by making his own casually apocalyptic warning about machines superseding the human race. Like people including Stephen Hawking and Elon Musk have predicted, I agree that the future is scary and very bad for people, Wozniak said. If we build these devices to take care of everything for us, eventually they'll think faster than us, and they'll get rid of the slow humans to run companies more efficiently. Steve Wozniak's statements about his concern over the potential power of artificial intelligence and its ability to control and dominate humanity. Wozniak questions whether humans will be treated like gods, family pets, or ants by intelligent machines in the future and expresses the need for ethical guidelines for the development of AI. In an interview with BBC, Wozniak has warned that AI will make it harder for cybersecurity officials to detect scams and misinformation. He also shared his fears regarding the technology being misused by cybercriminals. Wozniak noted that AI-generated content needs to be clearly labeled, and regulation is also needed for the sector. Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak is skeptical of Tesla's autopilot system too. Wozniak is super keen on futuristic electric cars, but doesn't yet trust Tesla's autonomous driving technology. To Wozniak, the word autopilot is deceiving and potentially dangerous. Sometimes Teslas are dangerous because of what they call autopilot, he said. You get thinking, oh, it is easy. I can reach over and not look for a few seconds, and that is the second your car drifts over the line. Apple co-founder Steve Wozniak might have by no means counted Elon Musk as considered one of his buddies personally. However, he undoubtedly was a former believer in Tesla, but now Wozniak is on a mission to warn folks about simply how crappy he believes Tesla's autopilot self-driving system really is. Wozniak informed CNN in an interview this week that, boy, if you want to study AI gone wrong, and making a lot of claims and trying to kill you every chance it can, get a Tesla? Tesla Inc. is under criminal investigation in the United States over claims that the company's electric vehicles can drive themselves. Tesla's autopilot has been the subject of several accidents on the road, causing concern among both Tesla owners and the general public. While the autopilot system has been designed to improve driver safety and make driving more comfortable, it is clear that there are some significant risks associated with using it. Steps that have been taken after criticism on AI development. AI principles. In 2019, a group of leading AI researchers and executives from industry and academia developed a set of AI principles to guide the development and use of AI. The principles aim to ensure that AI is developed and used in a responsible, ethical, and transparent manner. Regulatory frameworks. Governments and organizations around the world are developing regulatory frameworks for AI. For example, the European Union has developed the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, which includes provisions for the use of AI. Research funding. Governments and organizations are investing in research to better understand the implications of AI and how it can be developed and used in a responsible and ethical manner. For example, the U.S. National Science Foundation has funded research into AI ethics and governance. Ethical guidelines. Professional organizations are developing ethical guidelines for the use of AI. For example, the Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers, IEE, has developed a set of ethical guidelines for AI. AI governance. There are proposals for international governance of AI. The Global Partnership on AI, GAP-AI, was launched in 2020 to promote responsible and ethical development and use of AI. The rapid development of AI has raised concerns about its impact on humanity, and many personalities from various industries, including Steve Wozniak, have expressed apprehension about its growth and future. Wozniak is concerned that AI has the potential to become a threat to humanity, if not regulated and controlled properly. He has also questioned the future of humanity if intelligent machines supersede humans. Therefore, ethical guidelines are necessary for the development of AI to prevent it from falling into the wrong hands and dominating humanity. Thank you for taking the time to watch through the content. If you enjoyed this content and would like to see more, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us to create more valuable content for you in the future. Thank you again for your time and consideration.